Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you about tutorial how the way you can add the break line on Google Sheet on mobile phone. So first you just need to open the application of the Google Sheet on your phone. Now you just need to create a new documents and then just go click create or set the title first. Now I already got this blank documents. As we all know that whenever we type something on the cells and we want to add the new line, you cannot click into enter or return section, because whenever you type into this button, you will be visited for the next rows or the next cell. So the thing, if you want to get another line in the same cells, you just need to do this. Make sure that your device is iPhone, because it only works for iPhone. Tap into the text here. Tap into the text. Click edit, tap the cursors, and that could be give you this option. And that could be an option about insert line break. So you just need to tap on it and you will got a new line in the same cells. So you can just tap for the second words that you want. You can also tap again to get the insert line again to get the new line. Now, if you are done, so you just need to tap into return to visit the next cells. That's so simple and easy. That's the way how you can add the break line on the Google Sheet on iPhone. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.